How to verify a phone number in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify a phone number in Shopee. First, open the web browser and go to Shopee.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now click on your profile from the top right corner and go to My Account. Now click on Add right next to the phone number to add your number. Add a new phone number and click on the next button to proceed further. After that, a verification code will be sent to your number that you have entered here in order to verify your account. Once it is done, your account verification will be completed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.